Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the Bank Nifty and Nifty has performed today, as well as how the Bank Nifty and Nifty can perform tomorrow. Okay, if you look at this chart, what you can see that the Bank Nifty is continuously in uptrend. Okay, as it's already been on the top and made a high of around 38.4. Okay, and made a high of around 38.350, and then from there it is continuously came down and made a low of around 37.382. okay, what we can see in the charts. Okay, and this level is already tested twice, 37.685. so chances will be very high if the price Bank Nifty comes at this level. Okay, Bank Nifty if it comes around 37.685, then chances are high it can go further low to a level of 37.443, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see a level of 37.200 also. Okay, but if the price stays above the level of 37.685, or now it is trading at 37.945, chances will be very high it can go and touch a level of 38.108 also, and from there we can see it can touch a level of all time high or can cross this level. So what we can see, if the price opens at this particular range, okay, at the flat, then chances are high it can go further high. Okay, and can touch a level of 38.108 also, and can go further upside. Or if it opens above 38.400, then we'll be treating this as a support, and then we can see further upside in the Bank Nifty. Or if it opens below this level, then we can see this will be treated as a strong support, 37.443, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 37.322, and from there we can see a level of 37.200 also. But if we talk about Nifty, Nifty has gone down. Okay, we can see red candle in this. Suppose if the Nifty opens in this particular range itself, then we can see 17.898 will be the strong resistance for it. Okay, if it crosses this level, then we can see a level of 17.948, and if it goes more of this level, then we can see a new high it can make. But suppose if the price opens at around 17,700, then we can see that it can go with a strong support at around 17,655, and if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 17,578. okay, so what we can see, suppose if it opens at this 578, then we'll be treating at around 17,627 as strong resistance. So what we can see, if it opens at this flat, then we will be treating it with a strong support of 17,627. it can go further high, or if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 17,300 also, 331 also. But if it goes above a level of 17,800, then we can see it can go further upside. So what we have to do is we have to wait for the first 15-minute candle where the market opens, and then where the direction is taking, so then we can trade according to the price action with the proper stop loss. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.